Hello everyone, this is Ning from Lens Lab Polimi. I will show you how to use a Miro-based version of the interaction storyboard. Before we start, make sure you already have a Miro account. Then you can go to the Miroverse, search Lens Lab Polimi, and choose the tool. On the tool page, you can click Use Template to build a new board in your account, or click the arrow to put the template in a previous board you have made before. Let's start. The tool aims to show a fluent narration of the functioning system to the customer, S.PSS, or the other actors involved in the project during the design process. It is a graphical representation containing the sequence of images and texts in one row, representing, in time, the main interactions of the different stakeholders. Our tutorial will be here below the basic information of this tool. You can come back and check if you forgot something. After clicking the arrow on the top right corner of this button, you will be quickly navigated to the tool template. If you have already made the interaction table, you can make the interaction storyboard easily. Even use the same image you have already made. If you are new here, you can go to the sample for an overview of what there will be after we work on it. And then we can think about the whole story of our concept and go to make the scene. How to make the scenes. We can use the scenes maker to help us. There are 4 parts to a card: the order, the scene image, the narrative text, and the labels. We can click the order and text part and modify them. For the image, you can choose your way to make the image. We suggest you use Photoshop or Figma to create the image quickly. You can check the guidelines here on the right. After we create the image, we click the gray default image and choose to replace from the device and then the image. According to the scene, we need to highlight the actors and put the labels on the right bottom part. Then, the scene is done. We can move it to our template. After you get familiar with the process, you can modify the scenes directly in the template. You can add as many scenes as you want. Please remember here in Miro, you need to use the tool frame to keep your storyboard in order. Then, you can use the present function to show or use TalkTrack to record your story with your voice and share it with others. Isn't it easy and interesting? I hope our new tool version can help you create a better S.PSS. To know more about the tool, you can check www.lenslab.polimi.it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please contact us through the email addresses shown on the screen. We will be super happy to hear your voice. See you in the next video. Ciao.